We've come to Bikkanapalli Waterfalls. This is just about 15 kilometers from Balakondarayana Betta. Road is not great. It's a very narrow road. But I could see the water stream just beside, and there is a small path here. Definitely cannot come by bikes or cars. So there is no proper route here. It's very tricky. So be aware if you are planning a trip to this waterfall. This is not a high waterfall, but I think it's spread across a lot of acres here. The water flow is also very high, so beware not to step into the waters anywhere around here. Almost back near the car parking. It was roughly around 1 kilometer walk till the waterfall. The trail is also not clear at all, so make sure you come in daylight. We just have to look for a path and walk along the waters, and that will take us to the waterfall. Again, like I said, 10 to 15 minute brief walk. Not more than 1 kilometer, and you should reach the waterfall. So this is definitely an underrated waterfall, and if you want a peaceful evening, not very much crowded place, I think this should be one of them. Hope you liked watching. See you on the next one.